Let's explore the differences between AWS Batch and AWS Lambda. Starting with the execution environment, AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service, which means it runs functions in a fully managed environment. On the other hand, AWS Batch runs jobs in containers within an Amazon EC2 environment. This gives Batch more flexibility, allowing any runtime as long as it's packaged as a Docker image. Lambda imposes limits on runtimes and has a time limit for individual function execution. It also provides limited temporary disk space. In contrast, AWS Batch has no time limit for job execution, supports any runtime within Docker containers, and relies on elastic block store or instance store for disk space. Lambda is fully abstracted from the underlying compute infrastructure, providing a serverless experience with automatic scaling. In contrast, AWS Batch utilizes Amazon EC2 instances for job execution, allowing dynamic provisioning based on workload. Lambda is well suited for short-lived, event-driven functions, making it ideal for microservices, real-time processing, and event-driven architectures. AWS Batch, on the other hand, is designed for batch processing of large volumes of data, making it efficient for long-running, parallelizable tasks with no time constraints. Lambda has limited temporary disk space available during function execution. In contrast, AWS Batch provides more control over disk space, relying on elastic block store or instance store. Lambda offers automatic scaling based on the number of incoming events, while AWS Batch allows dynamic scaling by provisioning EC2 instances based on workload. Lambda manages dependencies through deployment packages, while AWS Batch allows the use of custom Docker images, providing flexibility in managing dependencies. Lambda follows a pay-per-invocation and duration model. AWS Batch, on the other hand, incurs costs based on EC2 instance usage, storage, and other associated resources. Lambda is fully managed, abstracting infrastructure management. AWS Batch is a managed service but requires more control over containerized job execution. In summary, Lambda is ideal for event-driven, short-lived tasks with automatic scaling, while AWS Batch is well suited for longer-running, parallelizable batch processing tasks, providing more control over the execution environment. The choice between them depends on the specific requirements of your workload, execution characteristics, and the desired level of control over the environment.